Hello, this is Chris Roshnaut, 24K on Instagram and 24K on Twitter. Today I'll be showing you the Folio Touch keyboard for the iPad Pro 11-inch. This is for the first and second generation models. This is of course from Logitech. Show you the back here with some details. You can go ahead and pause this video at any time and read the details. There we go. This uses the smart connector on the iPad Pro, so it's not wireless, it's not Bluetooth. So it's a little different from their other model that they have. So as you can tell, that snap was very strong. So there's a strong magnet right here, which is nice, keeps it closed. This is a fully surround case and keyboard for your iPad Pro 11-inch. There is the keyboard itself and the trackpad. So like the new Magic keyboard from Apple, this has a trackpad as well. And if you can hear that, there's button pushes when you press down. So that's a nice addition. Has a nice feel, and the keys have some travel, so you can definitely tell that you're typing on a real keyboard. And this uses the connector right here, smart connector for your iPad Pro. And if you have a first generation, it'll work here with the cutout, and the second generation, obviously a larger camera module. So there you go. And then at the top of the case, you still retain the buttons right here for the volume. So there's the volume right there. And go further around, provides full coverage for your iPad. We like that a lot. So your iPad obviously fits in this part right here, and then you have your keys and your keyboard and your trackpad with the buttons right here. So this is compatible with the iPad OS because now it has support for the trackpad. I really like the keys, and I can't wait to use it some more. It's very nice. This is the Folio Touch from Logitech. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments, and of course, thumbs up.